we're doing an addition right now, and I just want to show you guys something, and it just basically comes down to forethought, and I'm a huge believer in pre-thinking. You know, anybody can get things done quickly, but can you put some forethought not to screw yourself later, right? Or make things harder, or cut corners, that sort of thing. So what we've done here is, you can see we're going to add a wall here, intersect into here. So rather than, you know, we could have done this very quickly, taken a skill saw, cut the siding, you know, rip the wall open, and, you know, we would have got it done quick, but then we would have compromised our paper because it would have been cut. Then the wall will connect here, and we will fill this space in with some smart trim because this is all tapered, and we don't know if we're going to do, we'll probably end up just doing some different siding. We're not sure yet, but at least we've thought about it. We've preserved the paper. We've went and we used our multi-tool. I don't know, some guys, they just oscillate, they work perfect. So then we could just cut this. We don't compromise our paper. You know, the paper job isn't perfect because there isn't a lot of overlap, but you can see it's done what it needs to do for the last like 60 years. So just something to keep in mind, guys. Do some forethought. It's going to save you some hassle. And then, you know, this building, we know we haven't cut any corners and shouldn't have any issues. Now with our new wall up, you can see how important it was to take a little time and save that old building paper, just so that we didn't hack it right here, and then we wouldn't have had any way of tucking in behind there, which then would have just been a major fault point for if you got some driving rain, it could just drive right down that crack or that break in the paper. So I think it's pretty important to do that. I feel safe about this, so that's just another little trick for you.
That's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or check us out on some of the following.